In this video, we will demonstrate how our VTN server and VN client interfaces work together to automate and monitor these energy responses seamlessly. We'll begin with the OpenADR server, known as the VTN virtual top node. This is the central brain that manages demand response events. As you can see, the dashboard provides an immediate view of the server status and connection details. To the right, the real-time data panel is built to track live readings, giving operators instant visibility into how connected devices are performing. Setting up the environment is simple. In the VTN configuration section, we define the necessary parameters to establish communication. By entering the VTN name, the system automatically generates a unique VTN ID. We then specify the IP address and port to match the network environment. Once these details are saved, the configuration is locked in and ready for deployment. Next, we navigate to the Events section, where we are able to create a new event. First, we select our target client, VN, and define the signal and type. Next, we set the exact start date and time, the duration of the response, and the payload value. Once saved, the event is officially registered. The system then confirms the event creation with a unique event ID for tracking and reference. This registered event will now be actively monitored and executed by the platform at the designated time. Next, we have the OpenADR client, or the VN. This interface manages the actual energy devices that respond to the server signals. The dashboard displays three critical metrics: VTN server status, confirming the connection to the central controller; VN client status, showing 3 total virtual end nodes registered, with 0 currently active; then OpenADR event, showing event history. Next, we move to the client creation page. Here, we can add a new client by simply entering the client name. The client ID is automatically generated, and after setting the IP address and port number, the new VN is registered in the system. Finally, we move to the logs page. Here, we are able to see all types of system logs in real time. Whether you're looking for high-level info, critical errors, or detailed debug data, the interface allows you to filter through system activity instantly. This ensures full accountability and makes troubleshooting efficient and transparent. Now, let's go live. We start the server by simply clicking the Start Server button. Once the server is running, we navigate to the client list, create a new VN client by entering VN client name, and IP address, port, and VN ID is automatically fetched, then save the VN client and start the client. With the system active, we can now schedule an event. We navigate to the Events section, select our target client, enter the event name, and define the signal and type, and add the time duration, then set our payload. Since it is currently 11:04 a.m., we will set the start time to 11:05 a.m. and click Save. The event is now officially registered. By returning to the client page, we can see the active event now appearing in the list as scheduled. On the top right, the system provides an immediate alert showing the next scheduled event and its exact start time. Finally, we switch back to the server page. Here, we can see that the event payload has been successfully received and is being processed. This confirms the full end-to-end communication flow between the VTN and the VN is working perfectly. And this platform provides a full end-to-end solution for managing and automating energy demand response communication seamlessly.